God and to obey his commandments on pain of death. You don't know God the way I do.
5-0. You're never safe in your bed. You can't hide secrets in your head. Whatever it is in the bathroom you do, someone's always watching you. Your filthy habits are known by all. A microphone hidden in the wall. Whatever it is you're doing there, the government is well aware of. There'll be no Christmas this year. Your whole family will disappear. Your whole family will disappear. Better watch your underneath. Your bill of life is showing. Modest Nimrod casts his teeth where rotten fears are growing. God collects the taxes, hopes and enforce the law. Exodus explains that big explosion you just saw. Dissent's a negligible right when you're staring at the light. Spend a Sunday with your neighbor's wife. 2 out of 10 ways you can lose your life. It doesn't matter what your friends will say. Your atoms fly apart and blow away. You're just like everybody else on earth, wired in from the moment of birth. There'll be no Christmas this year. Your whole future will disappear. Your whole future will disappear. Better watch your underneath. Your build of life is showing. Modest Nimrod caps his teeth where rotten fears are growing. God collects the taxes, hopes enforce the law. Exodus explains that big explosion you just saw. Glad to see you've changed your mind. Leave the other poor damned fools behind. Kick off your Reeboks, stay a while. Big stone tablets are back in style. You'll find the straight road can be nice. Just stay here on it, punk. We don't ask twice. If you don't, then you must realize the space you inhabit will vaporize. There'll be no Christmas this year. Every trace of you will disappear. Every trace of you will disappear. Every trace of you will disappear.